let me know you're gone. Suzanne, the plans they may put an end to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Now I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down on me, Jesus? You gotta help make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching, my time is at hand, and I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. I always thought I'd see you again. I always thought I'd see you again. I walk in my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. There's hours of time on the telephone, lying to talk about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines, pieces on the ground. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. I always thought I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Always thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you. Fire and rain.